Welcome to Mindset and Money. This is the channel where we break down the secrets to building wealth, achieving financial freedom, and creating a life of abundance. Whether you're just starting out or looking to elevate your financial game, you've come to the right place. We believe wealth isn't just about numbers in your bank account. It's about mindset, strategy, and action. That's why we're here to help you think big, take action, and transform your financial future. Here's what you can expect from our videos. Develop a winning mindset. Learn how to think like the wealthy and adopt habits that lead to success. Manage and multiply your money. Discover practical budgeting tips and powerful strategies to grow your wealth. Build multiple streams of income. Explore ideas to create side hustles, passive income, and more. Invest like a pro. From beginner-friendly guides to advanced strategies, we'll simplify the world of investing. Inspiring success stories. Hear from real people who have changed their lives through smart financial choices. At Mindset and Money, we're here to guide you step by step, helping you create the life you've always dreamed of. Our mission is simple: to inspire, educate, and empower you to take control of your financial future. So, are you ready to join a community of ambitious individuals striving for financial independence? Hit that subscribe button and start your journey with us today. Welcome to Mindset and Money. Let's grow together.